It's a look at the Indian Army. They'll be getting a new chief starting 12 noon. That's about 18 minutes from now. General Dalbir Singh Sahag will take over as the 26th Army Chief. The outgoing Chief, General Bikram Singh, addressed the media a short while ago. Here's what he said.
आज आप रियरव्यू की तरफ जब देखते हैं तो आपको क्या लगता है?
देखिए, हिस्ट्री इज द मिरर ऑफ टुमारो। तो यकीनन जब आप आगे बढ़ते हैं तो जो आपका हिस्ट्री है उससे अच्छे जो लेसन्स मिलते हैं उन्हें मद्देनज़र रख के आगे चलना पड़ता है और यकीनन मैंने ये किया है। और इतना बताना चाहता हूँ कि आपकी फ़ौज जो है बहुत एक बुलंद एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट ऑफ नेशनल पावर है और आपको इस पर फ़ख्र होना चाहिए।
Sir, would you rate the Mountain Strike Corps as the biggest achievement?
Look, I would say any strategic leader cannot ever benchmark his achievements because it's the organization that should be taking the credit for it. You only initiate certain processes. I think everyone has worked very hard to achieve this. And I salute every rank, every soldier, every officer who's been involved in various initiatives in ensuring that they are taken to logical conclusions.
Are you satisfied with the progress of the Mountain Strike Corps?
Yes, it is moving ahead. It's the raising commenced of the units on the 1st of December last year. On the 1st of January this year, the raising started of the Mountain Strike Corps headquarters. It's on the path. It's moving as per schedule.
So what are the challenges you think your successor will have to face?
Look, that you ask him. I'm sure he's given a thought to it. Let him identify the challenges. But let me tell you, Army is a robust organization, very accountable, very responsive, very potent, very relevant instrument of national power, and it has got the capability to take on any challenges.
And General Dalbir Singh Sahag will be taking over as the Army Chief today, the 26th, as we told you earlier. And he he has had an extraordinary journey. He started out life as the son of a Subedar, and he's now occupying the top post in the country's defense establishment, particularly in the Army, as he goes towards his final bout before retirement. Here's a look at his career.
It is like a dream come true for this retired soldier of the Indian Army. 84-year-old Ramphal Singh Sohag never thought that he would live to see the day that his son would become the Chief of Army Staff of the Indian Army. The Sohags of Bishan village in Jhajjar district of Haryana have been sending their sons to the army for 3 generations now. But General Dalbir Singh Sohag was the first one to be commissioned as an officer in the Indian Army.
हमारी जो पीढ़ी दर पीढ़ी जो आर्मी में यानी कि जो उनकी चॉइस थी कि हम आर्मी में जाएं और देश की सेवा करें, तो इसलिए आर्मी में जाने की हमारी ख्वाहिश थी कि मैं भी आर्मी में था, मेरे दादा परदादा भी आर्मी में थे।
गाँव जब इनका वो प्रमोशन के लिए मैं पता चला तो जो है ना पूरे गांव ने इकट्ठा होकर नाच गाना, गांव का एक वो जो बड़ा चौक है उसके अंदर पूरे गांव ने, पूरे गांव की औरतें भी बच्चे और सब नाच कर डांस किया जो उन लोगों ने।
ये आज से नहीं है, ये मतलब काफ़ी ब्रिटिशर के टाइम की बात है। तब से ही इस गांव में मतलब आर्मी, नेवी, एयरफोर्स सभी डिफेंस में हैं। इवन आपको एक ही नहीं, कम से कम 2-2 आदमी आपको घर से मिलेंगे।
In Bisan village, this is the very house where Dalbir Suhag was born. Villagers say from the very childhood he was simple yet intelligent. Parents had just one simple dream, that Dalbir should get into the army and make them proud. And Dalbir did not let his parents down.
General Dalbir Singh's father had retired as a Subedar Major from the 18th Cavalry Regiment, and it was his dream that his son becomes a commissioned officer. A dream that began to take wings when Dalbir got admitted to the Sainik School in Chittorgarh. A dream that found legs when in 1970 a young Dalbir Singh cleared the admission test for the National Defence Academy, NDA.
हम एक ही क्लास में पढ़ते थे जी, और दलबीर साहब बहुत मेहनती आदमी था, वो क्लास में सबसे टॉप में थे।
दलबीर साहब बहुत ही अच्छे थे। दलबीर साहब समय पर स्कूल में आते थे, कोई शरारत नहीं करते थे, गुरुजनों का कहना मानते थे।
The rest is history. Commissioned into the 4x5 Gorkha Rifles in 1974, he rose through the ranks to reach the highest post of all, the Chief of Army Staff, on 31st of July 2014.
जितने यंगस्टर हैं, नौजवान बच्चे हैं, उनमें एक भावना है कि हम भी आर्मी में भर्ती होकर देश की सेवा करें, देश की सेवा करने का मौका मिले.
He bowed down as he see his elders amongst him, and I can say that every child should learn his attitude towards the elders.
हमारे जो यहाँ बच्चे हैं और भी जो यंग जनरेशन जो अभी चाहते हैं कि हम आर्मी में जाएं, तो एक देश की सेवा करने का एक जज्बा जो है सबके अंदर बढ़ा है जब से ये घोषणा हुई है कि ये आर्मी चीफ बनने वाले हैं.
As General Sohag becomes the 26th COAS and takes command of the 4th largest army in the world, his mother says that churma and milk is the food that he loves the most in the world. In fact, his parents kept a buffalo at home so that General Dalbir Singh could be fed fresh milk and desi ghee, the source of his strength and fitness.
दूध बहुत पीता था, दूध चूरमा, बहुत शरीर बहुत सुंदर. किसी को कोई भी चीज लेता हो तो अपने हाथ से ले रहा होगा तो दे देता है, वो खुद खाने की कोशिश नहीं करता.
This small Haryana village in Jhajjar is today basking in the pride of having produced an army chief. And the army chief's parents are proud that in a free, democratic and independent India, a foot soldier's son can also rise to be the army chief of the country.
The dream of not just a father has come true, but here the entire village feels proud of what Dalbir Suhag has today achieved. With camera person Ravikant Tothawar, this is Pankaj Upadhyay, Haryana, for Headlines Today.